How to balance standardization and innovation in digital banking solutions. It's basically like cooking. You need the standard recipe as a foundation, but the secret sauce is the innovative twist you add to make it extraordinary. Here are 3 ingredients. First, design the product with a modular approach. This allows the easy integration of new features, third-party modules, or the client's own secret sauce. Modular product design enables the integration of innovative features and gives the standard product its own special flavor. Second, user experience and client-centric approach. Engage with your customers to understand their needs, challenges, and expectations. The bank has the idea of a culinary cashback reward feature? No problem! Collaborate with the client in the development process to incorporate their ideas. Third, agile practices enable teams to respond quickly to changing requirements, incorporate user feedback, and continuously deliver updates. Seasoning and tasting go hand in hand to create the perfect mix between standardization and innovative development. By carefully balancing technical scalability with a user-centric approach, you can create a digital banking solution that handles growth efficiently and provides highly individualized and user-friendly experience. And now, I would like to know more about your secret sauce.